Alright, we're back at Tehachapi with Brent and Rodger, and we have a no-name cub, poor thing. We don't know who made this. So if y'all recognize this plane, put in the comments. It's about an 80? No.
80 inch.
80 inch, okay. It's 80 inch wing.
OS 48 Surpass.
OS 48 Surpass, 4-stroke. And Brent's just kind of, I was watching him kind of fly, and I was thinking, dang, it's kind of a neat little cub, you know? It's worth a video. It has earned its rightful place in just wing it land. No, but this little cub is
yeah, if you can't follow this one,
it's a lot of fun. So it's an 80 inch. And Brent, he likes to fly these things and just kind of just relax, you know. Sometimes jets just get a little, you know, I don't know. Sometimes you just want to change the pace. You want a slower change of pace, and that's what Cubs can do for you. They can kind of slow time down, and they look super cool while they're doing it too. So, being bright yellow, my old eyes can actually follow it. And again, apologize. We're not sure the collective mindset here. We're not sure. Oh, sweet. We're not sure what make it is, but it's an 80 inch, and it's a semi-scale. It's a sports scale. I mean, it's not a pure scale Cub.
It has quarter scale wheels on it.
Quarter scale wheels?
1/5
He's
scale.
got, yeah. Well, he's got some Tundra tires up here for the Tehachapi, for the dirt strip up here. Oh, nice. Nice. So I've got some Tundra tires up here. Oh, the smoke. And the interesting thing too, I'll say this, and Brent can chime in or whomever, but the funny thing is too that a lot of folks think that Cubs are kind of, they're like a trainer, and I'll say this, they're really not, even though they've been used as trainers. They're kind of, to fly a Cub correctly, it takes a lot of pilot skills. You've got Cubs love rudder, for example, and although you can't really see, you know, Brent feeding in the rudder, I know he is, because in a corner, in a turn, Cub wants rudder. Otherwise, they'll drag their tail, and this looks all. What do you call it, Brent? The yaw, the asymmetric yaw, or whatever you call it. Adverse yaw. The adverse yaw kicks in, and the thing just.
Yeah, so I'll do a turn without rudder.
Yeah, okay. So Brent's gonna do a turn without rudder.
So it turns pretty good to the right, probably because of the motor or whatever. But
sure.
That's no rudder.
That's no rudder. Okay. Now watch this one to the left. It's just.
Yeah. See, it takes a little bit for the tail to follow around.
Yeah. Yeah. She's starting to drag. She actually is starting to drag her tail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can really see over on this other side of the video when you do a nice,
yeah, so,
you know, sweeping left hand. Yeah, the tail.
Oh gosh, yeah, it's just dragging it. So what happens is with these even with the RC planes, you really have to do coordinated turns. Aileron. Hey Brent, are you starting your turn with rudder, correcting with aileron, or are you just flying?
Well, I am using a little bit of rudder to start the turns. Yeah, it just makes them a little cleaner that way.
Yeah.
Go through a little headwind right now.
It actually looks good with those tires on it.
Oh no. Fly it forever. Huh?
Yeah, this thing's he was already flying it for quite a while, and I was thinking, gee, I need to capture this one on video for posterity, because you know, you never know with an RC plane how long it's going to be around. But he's just goofing around, just horsing around.
Sure, it's pretty against that blue sky, though.
Yeah.
And we're also at 4,500 feet right here.
Sure, you're just 4,500 feet up here?
And it's 80-something degrees right now. So.
Yeah, and it's about 80-something degrees, so we're getting a little bit of density altitude going right now. There's a crosswind, and it's blowing directly in our faces as we're facing the field. So the wind's coming direct cross. Cool. All right. Well, thank you, kind sir.
Sure.
another great Labor Day.
Yep, Labor Day.
Yeah. I got to get these days all mixed up. But anyways, thanks for letting me join you out here, my friend.
Yep.
All right.
It is.
All right. And there goes Rodger to recover the aircraft. Good deal. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. All the best. And we're at the Crosswinds RC Club, Tehachapi, California. All the best, everyone. Cheers.